Stop wasting time recreating the same documents and let's unlock the secret to streamlining your workflow with Docusign templates. First, logged into your Docusign account, you will need to have an account with appropriate permissions to upload templates. Next, navigate to the Templates tab located in the top navigation bar. It might be labeled differently depending on your Docusign plan, but look for anything referencing templates. Once on the Templates page, click on the New button. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Upload Template. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer for the document you want to upload. As a template, select your desired file. Docusign supports various file formats, including DOCSIS, PDF, and TXT. After your document uploads, you'll be directed to the Docusign template editing interface. Here, you can add recipient roles, drag and drop signature fields, date fields, text boxes, and other necessary fields onto your document. Be sure to assign roles to your recipients, such as client, signer, or reviewer. This ensures the correct people are assigned to specific fields in the document. You can customize each field's properties, like making them required, specifying data types, or adding validation rules. Once you've finished adding all necessary fields and configuring your template, click on the Actions drop-down menu in the top right corner and select Save and Close. Your new template is now saved in your Docusign account and ready to use. You can access it anytime from the Templates page. Now you can use this template to quickly create and send documents, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your frequently used documents. That's it. You've successfully uploaded a template to Docusign. For more Docusign tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel.